To a blink of an eye, or 0.6 seconds in this particular recording. It's going to take a few minutes for us to go through and see it as it's played back by the high-speed imagery. Just to get a sense of the speed of the recording, this vehicle here in the lower right is traveling 60 miles per hour as the flash takes place. What we'll see at first is negative step leaders as they come down from the cloud, and as they touch the ground, and they cause a bright return stroke.
Negative step leaders are where they're
the
trying
speed
to
of
find a
light.
branch to get to the
After
ground.
that decays, we'll see
And
some
the
more
steps are about
step leader
150
activity
feet
that actually
long.
jumps over to that channel path and then accelerates down and
it'll
causes
create a
another
small
return stroke.
flash, which is called a step
What
leader.
happens after an initial return stroke is you can get redevelopment in the channel path, and that's a dart leader. It's much faster. It's a negative leader like before, but instead of stepping as it's going down in the air,
And sometimes
it's coming
you'll get
down
a
that channel
streamer
path, so
at
it
the end
travels
of a
much
step
faster,
leader.
and it causes a subsequent return stroke in that same channel path. And that can happen multiple times, especially as you're looking at a flash in real time and you see it flicker. That's what's
And the
going on.
return
There's
stroke can
multiple dart leader
often
return
be
stroke
brighter than
sequences.
the initial flash.
Now we're seeing what we call continuing current. A connection was made, a return stroke took place, but the upper part of the leader channel is actually expanding and growing in the cloud into the charge region. And this causes current to flow down the entire channel path. And the problem with this aspect of a lightning flash is that when it remains connected like this, it causes heating and damage to electrical components that may be near the lightning flash itself. And so these are the components of the lightning flash that actually start fires because of the heating that it causes. So we'll see this can continue for a fair amount of time, but in reality it's only a matter of 100 milliseconds or so in the actual time that it took place. Again, we only see it as in the blink of an eye. You'll get a sense of the speed of the recording here in just a minute as the wiper comes in.
This is
and so this was being
companion
filmed
to
on the
my,
front of the windshield of the vehicle that I
other
was in.
videos on
So this
transluminous
gives you a sense of the
events.
speed, and you think the
On
flash is
Patrick
over yet?
Moynihan
It
and
has
Pat
one more dart
Moynihan.
leader return stroke sequence before it's done.
Look those up.
And we'll see that once it's clear. And there it is, and that's pretty much 0.6 seconds in time.